Hi and welcome, Lisa here. Thanks for joining me for another card video. So today I'm revealing the new Halloween pack from SumMore Fun. Now I can't wait to show you the stamp sets for this set. They are so cute. So the first one here is called Sheet Happens. This is such a unique stamp set for Halloween. It has a washing machine and a basket on the top of it. The clothesline, the sentiments are so cute too. Sheet Happens, wrong place, wrong time, hang out here for Halloween. There are just so many cute ones there. Now, this set here is called BooHoo, and I absolutely love the little lineup of ghosts over there. They are adorable. Again, the sentiments are so silly in these sets. Honest, they said we could take the candy. Boo done it. Mom, I wanted the scary sheet. So really cute. So you're going to get some fun 6x6 papers with this kit, the black and white stripes. You're going to get these little spooky eyes. You have this fun random polka dot pattern. I think this is going to be perfect with that washing machine to create a fun little scene with that. And you can see you're going to get one that has some different colors on it, and then the other one is all just blue polka dots. So you could easily use these papers throughout the year if you don't get to use them with your Halloween cards. So a couple of more fun little multicolored stripe patterns there that are going to be great any time of the year. You'll also get a couple of other things with this pack. I don't have those available to show you, but you'll be able to see those over on the website. You're going to get card bases and some envelopes with this as well. While I have you here, I thought we would do a very quick card. I would show you how I use the 6x6 paper on a slimline card. Plus, I have a few more things I'm going to share with you, so stick around to the end. For this card here, Slimline Card, all I did was take a piece of white cardstock and trimmed it to 3 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I ran the top part of it through my embossing folder with cobwebs on it. So you could see that there, the design. And I'm going to go ahead and put liquid adhesive on the back of that panel and then place it on my card base. We're going to take the multicolored stripe paper that comes in the pack, and we're going to put some liquid adhesive on the back of that. Now, this is cut to 3 1/4 inches, and I left it at 6 inches high. We're going to go ahead and line it up at the bottom and then just keep it straight on that panel. So, quick and simple way to use your pattern paper on your slimline cards. So now we're going to go ahead and position this cutie right about midway between the pattern paper and the top of the card there. A little bit of mounting foam to the back of this, and we'll go ahead and place it. Now I picked a sentiment from the stamp set, and it reads, "Don't you hate when everyone says your costume is cute?" And I stamped it with Versamark ink on black cardstock. I'm going to heat set it with a white embossing powder, and I'm going to give you a close-up of this. I want you to see how this the stamps stamp and how they emboss with embossing powder. I always think it's nice to see that and up close so you can really tell that it does a great job. So I went ahead and I wiped off the excess anti-static powder on that and added mounting foam to the back. Now, if you have pink and shears, you want to grab those around this time of the year and use those to snip the ends of your sentiment strips because it makes a perfect little detail on your sentiment strips for Halloween. Okay, so here are a few more cards that I created with this set. Now, the one on the left there, I actually used a different stamp set, and I'm going to introduce you to that stamp set in just a few minutes. But first, let's go ahead and finish checking out the cards I created here. This card, I'm going to set that aside. So this is the one that we just did, and you can see that embossing on it right there. I love doing that technique where you just emboss the top of the cardstock and then cover the rest with your pattern paper. You'll see that a lot from me from now on. This card was so easy right here. It's just the black and white stripe pattern paper that comes in the kit, and I colored the image and just put it on the card and heat embossed my sentiment on black cardstock. The other card there, so much fun with the washing machine and hang out here for Halloween sentiment. I mean, that was a lot of fun to create. So here's a little preview of something I'm going to have coming to the channel in a few days, and that is using the Do Not Enter stamp set. Now, this is the same stamp set that I used on one of the other cards, and I used the sentiments on this card, Danger and Do Not Enter. So this stamp set is available along with the Eerie Night stamp set. These make great spooky cards for Halloween, and they're at a great price point over on the website. So be sure you check out that Halloween category while you're over there picking up this Halloween pack. You're not going to want to miss out on these stamps. I really appreciate you joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the kit in the comments below. And who knows, maybe there will be another one coming. Click that subscribe button if you don't mind, and ring the bell to be notified of new content to the channel. And for more information on the products used, you can head over to the SumMore Fun website. And I hope you have an amazing day.